On behalf of the Direct Selling Association of the Philippines, we would like to welcome Alliance in Motion Global as the 30th member of the DSAP. For those of you who may not know our organization, the Direct Selling Association of the Philippines is part of the Worldwide Federation of Direct Sellers, which covers the top companies in the direct selling industry, not just in the Philippines, but all over the world. We are over 1,000 companies that are the best of the best. In the Philippines, we only accept companies that fit the standards of the direct selling industry. There are over 300 direct selling and multi-level marketing companies in the Philippines today. And today I am proud to tell all of you that Alliance in Motion is among only the 30 that are considered the best in the Philippines. Gusto ko ipaabot yung malaking pag-congratulations kay Dr. Ed Cabantog dahil itong kumpanya nyo is a 100% Filipino company. Alam nyo po ngayon, in these times of difficulty, we are trying to be part of nation building. We are 300,000 distributors in your company, and that means 300,000 lives. Malaking bagay ito para sa mga Pilipino. Congratulations po sa inyong lahat and more power to Alliance in Motion.